Welcome back to Home Garage. In this video, we're going to cover off a checklist of items that you can easily do if you find your car smells. Often car smells just build up over time because of food, pets, sickness, smoke, or day-to-day living. Whatever the car smell is, there are ways to remove odors from a car. There are many effective natural odor removers that you can use in your car, and some of those products are baking soda, coffee, vinegar, charcoal, and kitty litter. And one more thing, if you happen to just purchase a new car, that new car smell is actually a variety of chemicals off-gassing in your car, which creates a thick atmosphere of little chemical particles that you're actually inhaling into your body, and it's certainly not natural. Start with opening your car windows and doors for the cleaning. This allows your car to deodorize naturally, as the fresh air can remove some of the car smells. Be sure to clean your car in a place with shade and not in direct sunlight. So consider cleaning your car early in the morning or later in the evening if heat and temperature is a problem. It's easier on you and it helps to keep the inside of your car cool. Now give your car a good cleaning and decluttering. Remove all the trash that you can see everywhere in your car. Places where trash and random objects can hide, especially things that kids and pets bring unknowingly into your car, which could be under the seats, in the glove compartment, under the floor mats, in seat pockets, cup holders, in the trunk, and don't forget to push down in between those seats. Basically, remove everything. After removing all the big trash, it's time to remove all the little crumbs, dirt, and tiny particles that you can't easily see with a vacuum. Vacuuming can do wonders for naturally removing odors from your car. You may not be aware of how much tiny stuff builds up in your car's upholstery, car mats, flooring, trunk, and so on. And for pet owners, it might make it easier to use a pet hair removal tool to assist with vacuuming. After a thorough vacuuming, you're then going to use an extractor to get the deep-rooted contaminants out of the fabric. This includes seats, mats, and floor. I'll also post a link in the description below on how to spring clean your car interior. Now let's move to hard surfaces. Cleaning your car not only makes it look better, but it can also remove odors naturally too. Some odors, like cigarette smoke, build up in residue that forms on your car's interior. And there are lots of car products on the market to clean and shine your car, so just make sure you're using the correct product for your application. You're going to want to wipe down every interior surface that you can. Think plastic, glass, metal, wood, and other hard surfaces in your vehicle. This includes your dashboard, glove compartment, steering wheel, cup holders, shifters, any hard surface in your vehicle. And use a microfiber cloth to clean your car. Do not use paper towels, which are rough and can scratch the surface. And for best results, make sure your car is in the shade and not in direct sunlight. The cleaners that you use will not evaporate as fast, and it will work better if your car is not hot. Cleaning your car windows thoroughly is another step in removing odors from your car naturally, as a film or a haze on the inside of the windows trap contaminants. I'll also post a link in the description below on how to clean your interior glass, as that could be a bit tricky to get a streak-free window. Now that we've thoroughly cleaned all the hard surfaces and fabrics in your vehicle, now let's turn our attention to leather seats and leather interiors. Now, cleaning leather takes some special precautions, and once again, I'll post a link in the description below on how to clean the leather in your vehicle, which includes seats and steering wheel. So after a thorough cleaning, if your car still smells, there are plenty of natural ways to remove odors from your car. Baking soda is wonderful for removing odors, just like in your home. Baking soda is one of the first odor remover solutions that you should consider after cleaning your car. Sprinkle the baking soda on the upholstery and carpets. Let the baking soda stay on the surface for a few hours, if not overnight. Go back and vacuum up the baking soda. This simple, non-toxic trick often removes odors quickly since it absorbs smells. You may also want to consider adding some essential oils to your baking soda before applying if you want to add some pleasing smells to your car. You can add whatever essential oil or combination of oils that you like. You can apply a few drops to the baking soda and then just put it inside of a spreader and then just apply it evenly. You can also apply the baking soda to hidden places in your car and not vacuum it out. This will allow the odor absorbing properties to continue working for a while. This is best done under the car seats or in the trunk. And keep in mind, don't sprinkle baking soda on wet floors or any wet surfaces. It'll just clump and not work effectively. Surprisingly, coffee is highly effective at removing odors from your car. To use the coffee to neutralize odors, place the coffee in a bowl or bag inside your car and just leave it overnight. Just like baking soda and coffee, kitty litter can absorb smells in your car. After all, kitty litter does neutralize odors. The problem with using kitty litter to remove odors in your car, though, is that it has to be removed afterwards. And it might not be as easy to vacuum up if you don't have a heavy duty vacuum. So if you have some extra kitty litter on hand, just sprinkle the product on the carpet and in the trunk, or make some sort of bag of kitty litter and just keep it in your car. And just like in the home, essential oils can mask smells and provide a pleasing aromatherapy that makes you happy. And you might just want to add essential oils to your car even if your car doesn't have any weird smells that you want to hide. And an easy way of doing it is just to apply a few drops to a cotton ball. And you could place the cotton ball in the cup holder, under the seats, in the glove compartment, or some other place where the essential oils can be smelled, and just replace it once the scent has vanished. And there are essential oil diffusers for your car, and you might be surprised at all the various options available. And let's not forget your cabin air filter, and often this filter is located behind the glove box and it cleans the air as it moves through your vehicle's HVAC system. So if you notice that your car has that unpleasant odor or the airflow is actually decreased, consider replacing the cabin air filter to give the system and yourself a breath of fresh air. So there you have it, an easy step-by-step process on how to get rid of some of those nasty smells in your car as demonstrated on a Honda SI and this Volkswagen GTI. And make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.